Okay, the mixing elbow is off. That's this piece here. Exhaust goes in there. Water goes in that nipple that from the engine cooling circuit and goes out the exhaust. And the flange on the exhaust manifold looks good, but herein lies the problem. This don't look too bad till you turn it over, and there she is. The exhaust elbow, mixing elbow, rotted out at the flange, typical of the failure with them. I don't know if this was originally with the engine before it was rebuilt. The engine was rebuilt 7 years ago. Normally don't happen that quick, so that must be the original exhaust elbow. This was a marine application before it was rebuilt, and this is the new one. There was one available, probably some more available somewhere in the country, but it's $155 with the gasket and the clamp. Got the new clamp. So we will install this and get many more hours service. Yeah, with this elbow rotted out, you can see where the crack was. It was about to break completely off. The only thing I need to do is get this elbow, since the new elbow is bigger, to connect to my saltwater system. But try and get this new elbow loose, and I've got my torch out and pipe wrench and stuff, and we'll see how it goes. Of course, comes to worst, since this is shot anyway, is I'll get the grinder out and cut that casting and break that off to free them threads up. So let's see how we do. Ah, caramba! I was able to break it free without any heat. The threads are undamaged. So let's use this over again. And there she is. New mixing elbow in place. Another repair complete.